Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in cloud computing, Amazon EC2. Whether you're a developer, entrepreneur, or just curious about how companies like Netflix, Uber, and Airbnb handle their massive data and compute needs, EC2 is the backbone of it all. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what EC2 is, how it works, and why it's a game changer for anyone building in the cloud. Alright, so let's start with the basics. What exactly is Amazon EC2? Amazon EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. In plain English, it's Amazon's way of renting you virtual computers in the cloud. These aren't just any computers. These are scalable, flexible, and highly customizable machines that let you run anything from a small web application to large, complex systems that need tons of processing power. So, if you've ever wondered, how do companies handle millions of requests from users all over the world? Or, how do apps stay online without crashing during heavy traffic? EC2 is a big part of the answer. One of the coolest things about EC2 is the Elastic Compute Cloud. Imagine you run a website, and one day you get a massive spike in traffic. Maybe it goes viral, or it's Black Friday and everyone's shopping on your site. With traditional servers, you'd be in trouble. But with EC2, you can instantly scale up to handle the extra traffic and scale back down when it drops. This elasticity means you're never stuck paying for more than what you need. You only use and pay for what you need at any given moment. It's like having an endless supply of computers at your fingertips that you can turn on or off whenever you want. It's a dream for startups and enterprises alike, especially when you're dealing with unpredictable traffic. Flexibility is key here. Whether you're running one instance or thousands, EC2 has you covered. Now, let's talk about instance types. EC2 isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, and that's a good thing. It offers different types of virtual machines, called instances, optimized for specific tasks. Let's break down a few of the most common ones. General-purpose instances. These are like your all-around machines, great for everyday applications like web servers or development environments. Compute-optimized instances need high performance for tasks like gaming servers or scientific computing. These are your go-to machines. Memory-optimized instances. If you're dealing with large databases or applications that need tons of RAM, memory-optimized instances are perfect for that. Storage-optimized instances. Think data-heavy tasks like big data analytics or high-frequency transaction systems. These are built to handle a lot of read/write activity. Accelerated computing instances. These come with GPUs or specialized hardware for machine learning, video rendering, or even cryptocurrency mining. So whatever your needs, EC2 has an instance type that's tailored to it. That's the beauty, flexibility for all kinds of applications. Let's not forget security and control. When you rent an EC2 instance, you have full control over it, just like you would with a physical server. You get root access, which means you can install, configure, and manage it however you like. But here's where it gets even better. Amazon EC2 comes with built-in security features. You can create security groups, which are like firewalls, to control who and what can access your instance. And if you really want to lock things down, you can run your instances inside a virtual private cloud or VPC. Think of it like your own private network inside the cloud. You can control everything from the IP addresses to the traffic that flows in and out. Plus, with key pairs, you can ensure secure access to your instances. Now let's talk about one of the most important factors, pricing. EC2 offers a variety of pricing models to fit your budget and use case. With on-demand instances, you pay by the second. It's great for unpredictable workloads because you're not locked into long-term contracts. If you know you'll need an instance for the long haul, reserved instances offer discounts for committing to a 1 or 3-year term. And if you're looking for even bigger savings, you can bid on spot instances, which give you access to unused EC2 capacity at up to 90% off the regular price. Just know that these can be interrupted if demand spikes. So no matter your workload or budget, EC2 offers a way to save while giving you the compute power you need. Alright, so where can you use EC2? Honestly, anywhere. Whether you're running websites, databases, machine learning models, gaming servers, or even scientific research, EC2 has the flexibility and power to handle it. Big companies like Netflix, Airbnb, and Lyft rely on EC2 to manage millions of user requests every day. But it's not just for the giants. If you're a startup or developer building your next big idea, EC2 can scale with you as you grow. So, there you have it. Amazon EC2 is the engine behind some of the world's biggest apps, offering flexibility, scalability, and power at your fingertips. Whether you need one server or thousands, EC2 has you covered. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more deep dives into cloud tech, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the cloud.